we have a 1999 Mustang S TV, Castle Creation motor, censored, hobby wing EFC, LiPo, Proline front runners, tires in the front, new thickies, rear speed tires you'll see in the picture. Just want to show you guys a demonstration how the car runs. It's going to be a little slippery in here because it's got a lot of power. A lot of power. It's only on 2S. You will receive all new batteries for remote control and car. Yeah, it's gonna skate all over this hardwood floor. But it's pretty fast. RPM rear wheels. Trying to straighten it out for you guys. Proline body mounts, front drag shock. The motor and EFC is censored. Yeah, I can't touch this thing when I was skating on it. Man. See them ripping the tires off of the carpet. Has a front aluminum impact. I think it's from CFX. The bow tie or tie bar, whatever they call it. But it's all set, ready to go, ready to race. Yeah. It's a monster. It's all set, ready to go. Please, if you guys have any questions, concerns, give me a message anytime. I'm more than happy to answer any of your questions. I'll do a bench test so you can see the front tires and everything, and the front wheels are moving. It's just snowing here in Syracuse, so I really can't do nothing. But everything is set, ready to go, ready to race. Thank you.